You can grab one of your pre-rolls and you can put this in here and you're good to go. Yo, welcome back to Urban Street 420. I'm your host 40. Today we are going to review Hermit Crab's clamshell joint holders, or cigarette holders depending on what you're into. They come in 2 different styles and 4 different colors, white and black, red and green. Let's get started with one style. Let's go to the other camera, right? I'm gonna move some of these boxes out of the way, and I think that I filled stuff in the green one. You'll notice that I have the white, red, and green options in this particular style. It also comes in black, I just don't have the black one, right? Unfortunately, they sent me 2 of one color. So in the green one, I actually have some stuff, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Before I do that, you'll notice that the logo is right here, looks super nice. If I turn this around, there's a place that you could put this on your key ring or a belt clip or something like that. I'll go ahead and close this, turn it around, and if we bring our thumb up right here and we pop it up, you'll notice on the bottom, underneath the cap, there's a filter. So if you're out and you're about to roll a joint and you're like, I don't have a filter, and you could be like, or one of your friends says that, you could be like, I have a filter, look. Anyways, let's go to the other camera. I thought that was funny, but it's probably not. So we've got a lighter right here. If we pull this out, you'll notice it fits a thin style lighter. It won't fit a clipper, so that's important to note, right? So we can put a lighter in here. Alternatively, you don't have to have a lighter in there. You could put 2 regular sized joints. Now, I should show you how tall these are sitting, because if I take one of these out and put it on this side, it won't fit a king size cone in here on this side where the lighter was. And that's because there's some type of thing stopping it right here. So that's a little bit raised, as opposed to the other side, it goes all the way down. So you could fit 2 full king size cones and 2 regular joints, or 2 full king size cones and a lighter, right? I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, and obviously you have this in red, white, and black. I'm gonna pop these open just to show you that they also come with the filter, obviously, right? Anyways, let's go to the other style, right? I think I put it in the black one on this style just to show you the different colors. The colors are red, white, green, and black. Move this out of the way, right? I think I put it in the black one, so let's go ahead and move this off to the side, and let's grab the lighter from this because I only had one thin lighter. I'm gonna pop this open, same way right here. However, the logo is right here on the top of it, right? And if we spin it around, it also has the thing to put on a belt clip or a keychain, etc. If I turn this back around, and just for comparison's sake, let's grab 2 of the white ones so you can see the difference in size. They're almost the same size, right? And you're about to see the difference of them as soon as I open one, right? So I'm gonna open this, I'll use my thumb, pop it open. You'll notice it's got 2 full-size cones, space for a lighter, but also it has a filter. And the filter comes with one, right, activated carbon filter. My mind blanked for a second. So I'm gonna close this up, and the cool thing is you have this filter, you can grab one of your pre-rolls, and you can put this in here, and you're good to go. There's a little bit of space on the bottom of this pre-roll, oops. Anyway, so this is really cool because it gives you a spot to have this, plus your joints, etc. And I have to say, I try to bring this out with me. I did a review on this, by the way. I'll leave a link at the top. I try to bring this out with me whenever I smoke a joint, because after using this and looking at how dirty the activated carbon filter looked like, I was like, I was inhaling all that stuff, right? For a very long time. Anyway, so better to be healthy now. So I'm gonna put this back in, and you could put it in either way, in this direction or the other direction. I just like it this way because it's easier to pull up. Close it, and they're not very big, right? In my pocket, if I put it, it's fine, right? Either this, and again, they're almost the same size, right? They're relatively similar in height and width, and yeah, so which one would I go with? I would go with the one that has the filter, right? This extra filter, because that gives me, so I don't have to have things loose in my pocket, right? Because typically when I go out, I bring a joint holder with a lighter, with the filter. Now it's a bunch of things in my pocket. This makes it so I won't lose it. Guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. I hope you liked this video. If you did, almost got whiplash, right? If you did, please like, share, subscribe. You know the deal, baby. Till next time.